How do you apply academic theories into dating?
So what I've done basically is to take the best academic theory in communication, psychology, and behaviorism and adapt that into the field of dating. So we have been talking about neuroplasticity. We are talking about experience-dependent plasticity, which is like how the brain works neuroscientifically. We're talking about neurotransmitters and so on. It sounds complicated, and you don't have to know that stuff. But I like to talk about those stuff because people that want to learn real skills, they want to know that it's something based on it. So that's why I give them an explanation of why things are as they are. But when it comes to learning it, it's actually not that complex. It's not that advanced. It's more of a practical exercise than an intellectual exercise. So it's all about practicing being a good listener and being curious, practicing real methods and principles based on real things. So I think that is very, very important, because the first part can be good as an introduction and so on. It's based on science. That might be enough. Some people are more curious about the real reason, because you don't want to learn something if you don't know it's backed of something. But once they know it is actually backed on something, then the motivation and you being able to keep a consistency becomes stronger because you know it's based on something. Think about learning something that you don't know if it's actually backed about something. That would be a waste of time and energy, wouldn't it?
Right.
So I think we shouldn't. I mean, I would not say that all areas it should be completely based on academics, but in this area have been, it has been really researched and proven. So in this sense, it's like when it comes to relationship building and attraction and so on, it's, I mean, it's been studying for so many years, 1950s till now. We're talking about almost 80 years basically, and it is actually valid stuff, and it's also easy to apply in the real world. Anyone that listen to this one, just try to make a decision in your own brain to, you know what, I'm going to let the other person talk. And you're just going to be quiet and listen to that person. You will see immediately how much more popular you become. Just like that. It's so easy to check out and try out to see the feeling of the other person. You will see immediately that you will have a great, conversation with them because you're making about them. It's very easy to check in that sense as well.